Well, things took a different turn than expected. I'm really stressed. My body feels extremely tense. Hi guys, I am finally doing it. I am recording a week in the life of a psychology student video. I've been hinting at this video for so long, and I feel like right now I should do it. But first, a word from today's sponsor, which is Ana Luisa. You can pretty much see me wearing their jewelry pieces in every single video that I upload or in every single Instagram post that I put out there. I am honestly a little bit obsessed. Hence why I'm so excited about their Black Friday sale. It is honestly amazing and a sale that you do not want to miss out on. Because of their Black Friday sale right now, you can get up to 60, let that sink in, people, % off of their sustainable jewelry pieces. So it is the perfect timing right now to get a gift for a loved one or perhaps one for yourself. If you didn't know yet, Ana Luisa produces their jewelry pieces in a sustainable and ethical manner. All of the materials that they use for their jewelry is either like recycled or lab grown. So for instance, their solid gold pieces that they create is made from 100% recycled gold, which they get from either like previously worn jewelry that's like secondhand, from industrial metals, or from electronic components. Their diamonds are, for instance, lab grown, which eliminates the step to involve some kind of like gold mining activity, which is not good for the earth and also not good for the workers. Some of my most recently received and most loved items include this beautiful necklace. It's called the May necklace and it's like a pearlescent effect with a moon on it. I am honestly obsessed. And when I received it, I have only been wearing that. Also, my small rocks earrings. You cannot see me without them, honestly. And a piece from them that I always wear is their simple ear cuff because it looks like I got a new piercing, but I don't. And I hate the whole healing process of that. So the ear cuff is perfect. And so many people have mistaken it for a real piercing. So do not forget to check out the link in my description box to check out Ana Luisa's pieces for yourself, especially with this amazing Black Friday sale. You do not want to miss out on it. Again, thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go on with my week of studying. Today it is Tuesday, the 16th of November, and I decided to vlog this week because it is the start of a new semester. It's not really a semester because I think that's like a 3-month period. I'm just really weird with how these terms are in universities and regarding different continents and different countries. Basically, I study psychology at the University of Utrecht, which is like a city right in the middle of the Netherlands. And how my university works is that you have 4 periods that are each 10 weeks long, and during one period you follow 2 courses each. So I just finished my first period of school. I'm gonna call it like that, I don't know. When I say period, I think of something else. So it's the start of period number 2, and I have 2 courses, kind of 3, but I'll explain that in a little bit. But I have 2 courses that I'm really excited to follow. I think these are gonna be so much fun. So in the past 10 weeks, I studied brain and behavior and statistics. I don't like statistics at all. The 2 courses that I will be studying right now are social psychology, which I'm very excited about. I think that this is a subject that really piques my interest, but also cognition and behavior. But we are also starting a year-long project which is called The Connection, in which we will find like a practical solution and intervention for loneliness. We are completely free to choose what our subject group is and the type of intervention that we want to implement. So I'm really curious to see how this will go. So today I will have actually like a work group from 3:15 to 5, but if I don't have my PCR test results before then, I'm not going. Then I have to like follow the lecture online. So yeah, that's gonna be the solution to that. But hopefully within the next 36 hours, I will get to hear that hopefully the test is negative. I was like, why can't I not just like make a nice square off of this thingy? But look how it's shaped. How does this work? Okay, so Tim is actually also eating with us tonight, and I don't have enough vegetables. So I need to go to the supermarket right now and get some of them. Okay, we got the goods for the burritos tonight, but I haven't really talked about what I'm doing today school-wise. So I wrote down a little to-do list for myself. I also need to answer a couple of business emails. I have to read a chapter for social psychology, which is probably around like 20 to 30 pages long. I don't know how long. And I also need to read a chapter for cognition and behavior. So I have lots of reading to do, which like I'm not super excited about, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know if someone is walking behind me or if someone is gonna come from like a side path, but I was trying to study and read a lot in my book. And one of the chapters that I had to read, I thought it was gonna be 20 pages. Then it was 40. And I mean, they're like huge pages to read. So I started to notice that like my eyes were just feeling so tired or like overworked perhaps because I already had 2 meetings today. So I decided to come out here in the woods that are behind my house to just have a little walk, like a 30-minute walk, to just do something different and distract myself kind of, I guess. So I'm doing that, and it's beautiful outside right now, so yeah, this is exactly what I needed. Then I also had to upload another video because I do YouTube as like my job as well. Trying to stay focused on my studies has been a little bit tricky sometimes, but I have found a new favorite study channel of mine. Recently, I've become obsessed with Phenomenal, who is a Dutch YouTuber, and she makes a lot of study related content too. Please go subscribe to her if you're Dutch. Her content is amazing. De muziek is een TikTok. We moeten even filmen hoe de before. I completely forgot to film for the rest of the day, but I just had a really fun activity with my like creative association. I just completely forgot to film anything, but we ate some pizza and we went bowling. I won once and I lost once. But okay, I'm going home right now. Janneke, wilt u ook in de video of niet? Ja.
Ik bal zo dat dit zo duur is.
Ja, dat is heel, heel duur.
Ik vind het te veel. Oh, ik heb echt geen 150
Nee.
euro. Ben je gek of zo?
Well, things took a different turn than expected, but in a good way. So I'm at Brit's place right now. Wow, that's difficult to say. But I was going to travel home tonight, and then I came in at the Rotterdam train station, and like all of these signs were like turning red, saying like you need to leave the train station immediately. Apparently there are like, how do you call this in English?
They said it was just a protest, but they're bloody riots.
Yeah.
They're just annoying pieces
of shit.
Yeah. Just destroying
the city.
Because of like COVID. They
the new rules and stuff, like they disagree with it. Like you can disagree with it, but you don't have to like ruin a whole city. And like it was really scary. I thought there might be a bomb or something, or like someone shooting, but luckily Brit was home.
Of course, you can sleep here.
Yes, I could take an Uber, so now we have a spontaneous sleepover.
Also nice.
I hope that everyone who is in Rotterdam right now and who doesn't want to be in this situation is safe, because the panic that some people felt over there was just
so scary.
Crazy, and obviously very understandable. So now we're gonna have a nice evening.
Got some tea, PJs on, or I have my PJs on.
I don't, but
just got here.
Yeah, okay,
Probably we'll watch on Netflix.
Yes. Bye. Well, as you guys can see, I'm back home and I feel shitty. I feel so bad. Whew, I'm sorry, that was my agenda. I honestly feel like crap. And that is, first of all, because of everything that happened yesterday, but I feel like that's understandable. But I have so much to do next week regarding YouTube, work-wise, when this video is uploaded. That's kind of what I'm referring to. But also school is just like insanely busy. I had a week off before this week and all of a sudden you were just completely, oh my gosh, shut up. You were just completely like thrown back into all of these deadlines, and I have just way too many things coming at me at once, and I just don't know how to do it. So I'm really stressed. My body feels extremely tense and I kind of feel burned out. I mean, it could just be like all happy and fun and, you know, don't mention it on here, but that's, I guess, the reality of a week in the life of a psychology student who also has like a self-employed job. But I hope that this week was insightful to you. I'm very curious what I will make of it editing wise, but I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking somewhere here on the screen or on the button down below, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!